welcome to Sri's channel. So today I am going to show you the miniature cooking set with which I used to play in my childhood. During this lockdown period, I found this in my almirah, so I thought I should show it to you guys. This will be more interesting to find out, with which I used to play every day. The kitchen set, the miniature thing. This is so much fun. I have collected them in my box. My mom made them to store in this plastic box. So I'm going to introduce you one by one. This is so much fun. See, this is the small bucket with which we used to play. We used to collect water in that. There is nice handle also to carry it. I will be placing here. This is small tiffin box, See how interesting it is. with that also we used to carry our lunch box, everything, the miniature of the real kitchen lunch box. This is so much fun. We used to get my grandmother and my mother used to get all these miniature things outside the temples. This type of mini cooking sets will be available outside the temples only. See, this is again another one vessel, very small vessel, and see, this is the thing that is used to collect flowers. How much small it is. You see, we used to collect small tiny flowers also in that. This is a small glass, this is the so much small glass with which you used to drink coffee, tea, to serve tea in these glasses whenever the guests arises. Other children arrive at our home. This is a small storage box to store some rice, dal, something much more. This is the small box. All these are of steel utensils only, Again, this is small frying pan, with which we used to fry. I will show you everything. Small frying pan. I will place it here. This is also again the small vessel. We used to make rice items in that by mixing them in this way. Little quantity, little amount of rice and everything. This is small, not so little spoon, but I don't know why it is there. You see, these are very interesting items. These are so much fun. I'm going to show you stove, stove. See, oh sorry, I placed it in the opposite direction. This is the small stove. We use it to place the pan upon that. We used to lit small fire, and then we are going to fry. I'm not finding that. Again I found that the miniature lunch box. You see how cool it is. You see, so much little. Again it has two boxes. This is so much fun. This is the big one and this is the small one. These are very unique items. My mother and my grandmother used to collect for us to play. Every day we used to play with my sisters. I used to play. This is again small carry box, to carry oil, ghee. Again, there we go. I have another one stove. This is the vessel to carry water, to store water in that. We used to store water in this for cooking. This is the frying pan, we can make dosa, we can fry chapati. We have got this handle also. We can place this on the stove. We used to make small chapatis or small dosa, everything. This is the spoon that is used to take rice out of it. We'll take out rice from it. This is the small spoon. Every home which cooks rice, they have this. I'll place here. Again, I have got this broad vessel, which we used to make curries. We used to make curries, and it is very much interesting. We have the plate also to cover it. This is so much fun. I'll place here, this will be more appropriate to look.
Yeah.
This is the small vessel again to carry water. Most of this type, I mean this shape will every woman in the household they uses this, like they used to collect water from the boring in this shape of the vessel only. So we have got that miniature one also. Just waiting it on. See, we have got again 2 serving plates. We can serve tea, fancy items. I have got that 2 plates. I'll be placing them here. Again, I have got this little vessel, there are many types of vessels. See, again I have got the steel frying pan, This is so much fun again. With which we can make olga, everything, the sweet items. Again I have got that also. I have got hot box. No, sorry, I am sorry. I have got the idli stand, Idli is the famous South Indian tiffin. We used to make small idlis. For real I am saying. You can see the small idli plate. We can make 4 idlis with that.
Yeah, me and my sister will collect from my mom that.
Those are idli batter, and we used to make idlis also. We got so little idlis, but this was so much fun. Again, I have got that small little vessel which we can mix rice and everything. See, again I have got that little vessel. These are much fun. Again, I have got the frying pan. How little it is, you can see. This is the milk container, Every household we have that. I have that small little lid to close. I will carry this lid. We will play with, like milkman has come to our home. We have to collect the milk, in our childhood times. This is again the cutting, this is the one which is used to cut vegetables. We will be sitting by placing under our knees, and then we used to cut under our legs. This is one type of typical cutting tool that is used in our households to cut vegetables. Again, another one, these 2 are same type. I have got another big milk container which my sisters use because they are big when I am little, so they used to play with that. How little you can see. Again I have got that vessels, little vessels. This is the one that is used to fry chapatis. Will be like spatula.
Clipping, yeah.
Like spatula. And this is the one that is used to take out the frying items from the oil, and we use for that. These are the small wide vessels that are used again. We have many things like that.
For rice items.
For rice items, everything. This is used to, I don't know what we make that, but we used to
do that. Flip.
Yeah. These are the famous 2 plates from our sister's time because we used to serve them, These little plates you see, we used to put rice, some dal and some chutney, and there we go. Complete plate of meals is ready for the guest that has arrived to our home. And these all are my fancy little items that, these all are the items that I used to play with them at my home when I was so little, and I don't know, I found them in the lockdown time, and I am so excited to share them with all the viewers. So I thought, why not make a video to show with what kitchen miniature set I used to play. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.